Hello, and welcome to the very first episode on the Click With Me channel. So, why are you here? You're probably here because you're wondering what the basics are of Windows 11. Well, we're going to go step by step and check everything out and familiarize ourselves with the desktop. The desktop is the very first step in learning how to use Windows 11. So, what is the desktop? The desktop is the main screen you see when the computer starts, after you log in, of course. What is the desktop? It's like a digital workspace where you can keep your important stuff, like shortcuts to apps, folders, or files. What does the desktop have on it? Well, the desktop has things called icons, and icons can be seen over on the left-hand side here. You'll see the recycle bin, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Trend Micro Internet Security. Icons are like visual shortcuts to things that you want to open quickly. Icons are small pictures on the desktop. Each one represents something: a file, an app, some sort of software, or a folder. You might not have the same icons that I do, but that's okay. More than likely, you'll see Recycle Bin and Microsoft Edge if your computer is new straight from the factory. Okay, let's move on to the taskbar. Now, where is the taskbar? The taskbar is the long bar at the bottom of the screen, right down here. It shows your open apps and lets you switch between them easily. It also has the Start button, which is this blue square with 4 little blue squares inside of it. It also has the clock and the system icons like volume and Wi-Fi, which are over here to the right. Now the Start button. The Start button here is the little blue square with 4 little blue squares inside of it. It opens the Start menu where you can access all of your apps and settings. We're not going to go into that today, but we'll open it and see what pops up. Here you can see a list of icons, and we'll go over what they mean in another episode. Okay, in the system tray, which is also called the notification area, it's a small area on the bottom right of the taskbar. That is over here. The system tray shows icons for background things like battery, internet, sound, and notifications. Right here you'll see a cloud. It says OneDrive. We'll go over OneDrive in another episode. Microphone, because right now I'm using the microphone. This little, what looks like a spray or a fan, that shows that we're connected to our internet. The little speaker shows what kind of sound devices we're using at the moment. And the little battery icon shows how much battery we have left and in how many hours. Now this isn't precise. When you're using software, your battery will drain faster. And then to the right of the battery is going to be the clock, time, and date. If you hover over it, you'll see today is Saturday, May 24th, 2025, and the time. If you click on it, it'll show notifications. We'll go over notifications in another episode. After clicking on the date and time, to get rid of that, all you have to do is go somewhere else on your desktop and left click, and it goes away. Now, you see this big blue flowery looking paper thing in the background? What is that? That is called wallpaper. It's the background image or color on your desktop. It's just for appearance, but it can be changed to suit your own style. You can put your own picture up there. Maybe you have a bunch of dogs, or you're a cat person, or you have kids. You can put pictures of anything you want on your wallpaper, so every time that you open your computer, you'll see whatever image you chose. Okay, so we've learned what the desktop is, what icons are, and where the taskbar is located. This episode will be fairly short, but I hope you gained some information you did not know before. We'll dive a little bit deeper in episode 2, but remember, if there's anything from the desktop that I didn't cover and you'd like me to cover in the next episode? Let me know in the comments.